Hey, this is JDNFIA. I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to fill up your left hand, your bass line, especially when you're playing by yourself without a bass player. All right, so we're going to take the song Hallelujah, Salvation and Glory. We'll be in C. We'll keep it simple. All right, the basic bass line, just playing the melody in my right hand. All right, that's your basic, I guess progression for your left hand. What I tend to try to do is to make it sound fuller, is to continuously keep my left hand moving and don't stay on the beat before a quarter. So you have, instead of like I played before, you have. All right. So only thing I'm doing is I'm just keeping my left hand moving. 1, 3 to get to the 4. So I'm basically using a couple of different rules. One rule I use is anytime I go into a note, I can go a half note above it or a half note above it. So I could say that, or since I got to get the F, a half note above it will be F sharp here. So I can go through the F sharp. By the rules. Now I got to get to my 2 chord. All right, so I can come. So I just like to walk down through the 3. Then 2, 5, 1, 7, 6, 3. All right, so just keep that left hand moving. And you can actually 1, 5, 1. Just playing 1, 5, 1 of the chord. All right, so you can just add your chords in there as you will, but this, like I say, this is just the principle. Just keep that left hand moving. Whatever song you playing, try to find out, what notes you need to keep that thing moving, to keep your sound more interested instead of just sitting on a note, going to the next, waiting for the next one. All right, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.